See, I feel like I did something here with this look, but hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So thank you so much for tuning in. If you love this look, please do keep watching the video and let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, before I get into anything, okay, never mind me guys. So what I'm doing right here, I'm just gonna moisturize my skin and I will be using Vaseline, guys. That's what I use on my face. My skin has been going through a lot lately and I just don't want to use other products, so I'll just stick to Vaseline. Okay, so for me, this is the most important step when I'm about to apply makeup on my skin, because you know that I don't have the best skin. Okay, so I'll be using my Rimmel London Fix and Protect makeup primer. What I love about this primer is that you can wear it alone as a brightening protective shield, sunscreen. So yeah, I really love this primer. Guys, let me be honest with you guys, this is my first time using this primer, and to be honest, my skin feels so smooth, and how my foundation looked after applying this foundation, honestly, I'm impressed. Next step, I'll be going with my Fit Me Maybelline Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade 330. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna blend, and yeah, those who know me know that I've been using this foundation for the longest time and it's really my favorite. I don't think I want to change it anytime soon, and as a person who has acne scars and pimples, this foundation does a good job when it comes to covering my pimples and just anything that's on my skin. So using my blending sponge, I will be blending my life away, darling. And the reason why you're doing this is that you want your makeup to to be even, and also you just want to have that nice matte look. And so next, I will be using my Wet n Wild concealer. I will write everything down, guys, in the description box down below. So yeah, that's the concealer that I'll be using. So I will be highlighting under my eyes, on my chin, and my nose. That's where I focus on when it comes to highlighting. Okay, so I'm just using my concealer from LA Girl. I'm using the shade GC991 Yellow Corrector. I will write everything down below. Don't worry, I got you, girl. But I just love, I don't know why, but I just love how it just highlights my entire face. It just adds la juge when it comes to my makeup. I don't know if you guys get me, but yeah. There's nothing as frustrating as this part, because you need to make sure that you blend your makeup well so that you have that look of the contouring. Okay, look at my nose, it's not dead, but like something's happening there, and you guys can see rots. Okay, so now it's time to contour. I'll be using my palette from Beauty Treats Concealer Contour Collection. I will write again everything down in the description box down below. Don't forget to blend. Okay, you blend here, babes. Okay, so next, to set my highlight and my contour, I'll be using the Yardley Absolute Translucent Loose Powder. This is suitable for all skin tones, and what I love about this powder, it provides the ultimate finishing touch. So yeah. So now it's time to move on to the eyes. I'll be using the same translucent powder. So what I'm doing, I'm setting the concealer on my eyelids using the same translucent powder, so that when I put eyeshadow on my eyelids, my shadow does not crease. wow, shadow. Oh yes, girl. So I'll be using my Vivi's Cosmetics Peachy palette. I will write everything down in the description box down below. And yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna blend that eyeshadow, and remember, I'm going for like a soft glam look. So yeah, so next I'm gonna be going in with a brown color. And guys, what I'm going to be doing here on my eyelids, I'll be going back and forth with the brown and that nude slash orange color. So yeah. So I'm gonna be adding a orange shade, a light orange shade on my outer crease, if that's what you call it. Remember, guys, I'm not a makeup artist, but yeah, that's what I'm going to do, guys. So I'll be using my new mascara from Essence. To be honest, guys, I don't like this mascara. I prefer the pink one. I forgot its name, but I'll write it down in the description box down below. So yeah.
And all that. So she was like, yeah, and then he's gonna buy these clothes, and then he's gonna get you guys. Social media, but we're not kind of able to want so much.
Thanks.
Not able to give me Jonas. Not able to give Jonas. She was like, you know, like speaking words. I'm like,
What's my dear? Shoot, and you're now alone. Then you should leave you for makeup.
I was like,
No, then the makeup. Okay, so guys, never mind our gossip session. So now let's get back into it. So I'll be using my Bone Straight conditioner and blow dry lotion. This adds moisture and sheen, and keeps the hair, you know, straight. So if you want that bone straight look, so this is what you use. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's quickly get into this hair. I will write down the name of the company in the title, and also I'll put everything that you will need in the description box down below. But the company is Lumiere Hair, and they sent me this 12-inch bob. I really love it. So in the box, guys, I got a card that shows you how to take care of the hair and the contact details of the hair company. Normally it takes 3 to 5 working days, but because we are all in quarantine lockdown, I think it will take longer than that. Hopefully not. I'm not sure. And also I got 2 wig caps and an adjustable band. I really love this hair, guys. If you're watching my video last night, I was busy, like, you know, playing with the hair, showing you guys the texture, and you know, so I am so obsessed with this hair, guys. I definitely recommend you guys to get this hair, okay? So I had to pluck this hair, guys, myself, as you guys can see in the video. But even before that, I did pluck the hair. If you want me to show you how I do that, please let me know in the comment section down below. But guys, to be honest, I really love this hair, and you are going to see me wearing this hair a lot, especially on my Instagram. So yeah, please do follow me on Instagram. Yeah. For this part, you can use any concealer that's close to your skin tone. And now that I'm done with that, I'm going to be highlighting my face. I will be using my lip gloss that I got from Legit and finish off my look using the Keep It Perfect makeup setting spray from Essence. So thank you so much for tuning in. If you love what you see, I feel like I did something here with this look, but if you really love this look, you let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.